Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda with just a real quick review of a universal tire cover for a trailer RV. Basically, I needed this for a 2014 Forest hard-sided pop-up camper that I have. I ordered this on Amazon. They come in 14, 15, 16, and 17 inch. And unfortunately, I have a 13-inch tire, and I know a lot of people do, obviously. There was different designs for it. This is the one I picked. Materials is polyester, as well as, so I knew it was a 14 inch, and I'm putting on a much, not much, but a little bit smaller tire. But I had confidence that it was going to fit because it had a drawstring that tightened up. So I tightened it up, and I could have probably tightened it even more than I did, but I was pretty secure in what it's staying. And by the time this review comes out, I've actually have used this for 2 months, and I've went on like 2 camping trips with this cover on the back of it with no issues. And one of the places I camped at was seriously really windy. As you can see, it looks good. The material felt pretty sturdy. I think I'll get a couple years out of this, no issues with that. I liked it. It was cheap. It came fast. I'll leave links in the description for Amazon for this actual item. Anyway, I'm very satisfied with this. This is Frugal Panda. This is just a quick review of this. Check out the link if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone.